Okay, today let's talk about sequences. Okay, let's define this. Pretty simple definition. A sequence is just an ordered list of numbers. Ordered list of numbers. For example, it could be anything, but it's kind of a famous one. Here's a sequence. Okay, the next one, 8. If you notice, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 and 8 is 13, and so on. Okay, that is a sequence. Okay, that one's kind of a special one, but they're not all that special. Each number in the sequence is called a term. So each one of these is a term of the sequence. Okay? And we're going to talk about two special types of sequences. The first one is an arithmetic sequence, and that's similar to the word arithmetic, but it's arithmetic. Sequence. Okay, and it comes from that arithmetic because arithmetic is adding and subtracting. Okay, so an arithmetic sequence, okay, to get from one number to the next, you add the same number. Okay, so you're adding the same number, and I'm going to put in parentheses that number is called the common difference. Okay, not something you necessarily need to know right now, but that's what it's called. Okay, so you add the same number to get from one term to the next. Okay, let's look at an example of an arithmetic sequence. Okay, and the dot, dot, dot just means that that pattern will continue to do the exact same thing as we go. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. If you notice, each one of these, to go from 2 to 6, you add 4. To go from 6 to 10, you add 4. To go from 10 to 14, you add 4. So we add 4 to go from each term, one term to the next. So the common difference, if we want to call it that, is plus 4. Okay? Plus 4 each time. Okay, that tells us that this one is an arithmetic sequence. Okay? The other type is a geometric sequence. Okay? In a geometric sequence, okay, we're going to multiply by the same number okay, common factor to get from one term to the next. Okay, and then an example of a geometric sequence. So this one, instead of adding each time, we're going to multiply each time. Okay, we could go like this. Okay, and then they get really big on me here. So 30 times 4 would be 120. And 2 times 4 is 8, so 128. Okay. And I'll go ahead and do that because they get really, really big there. Okay, so if you notice, you go times 4, or I guess we could put the x times in there. Times 4. Times 4. I hope my math was right on that. I might check that here. Just 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 12. Yep, that's right. Okay. Just to make sure.